Let's solve this equation together. It says root of a plus root of b is equal to 10, and at the same time root of ab is also equal to 10. Okay, so how do we do this? Now the first thing to do here is that we can rewrite this second equation as root of a times root of b to be equal to 10. Moving on, let's now say that root of a is equal to x, root of b is equal to y. Okay, so let this be this. It means that what we have here is what? X plus y is equal to 10, and x times y is equal to 10. This will be easier to solve for us. Okay, now moving on, we have that from here y is equal to 10 over x. Let's put y as 10 over x in this equation. Hence we have x plus 10 over x is equal to 10. Multiplying out by x, we have x squared plus 10 is equal to 10x. Now, what we have here is that x squared minus 10x plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay? Now, I have a quadratic equation in x to solve. Let's quickly use the quadratic formula. Now, recall that x here will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, applying this here, we now have that x will be equal to minus 10, which is 10, plus or minus square root of 10 squared is 100, minus 4ac is minus 40, all over 2a, which is 2. Now, x now become equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 60 all over 2. Okay? We now have that x will be equal to, now 10 plus or minus 60 can be expressed in the form of root of 15 times root of 4. This is over 2. Now x now becomes equal to 10 plus or minus root of 4 is 2. So we have 2 times root of 15 all over 2. Now x becomes equal to 10 is 5 times 2. Okay, so we have 2 into 5 plus or minus root of 15 divided by 2. 2 strikes 2. So we have that x is equal to 5 plus or minus root of 15. Okay, now recall that x times y is equal to 10. Okay, so we have that x times y is equal to 10, meaning that x is equal to 10 over y, or y is equal to 10 over x. So recall that y is equal to 10 over x. Hence, when x is equal to 5 plus root of 15, it means that y is equal to, so when x is equal to 5 plus root of 15, it means that y will now be equal to 10 over 5 plus root of 15. Okay, rationalizing, we multiply both sides by the conjugates, both the denominator and the numerator by the conjugates of 5 plus 15. This will be equal to 10 into 5 minus root of 15 over, okay, 5 squared minus root of 15 squared, which is 15. This is now equal to 10 into 5 minus root of 15 all over 25 minus 15 is 10. Now 10 takes 10, so we are left with this to be equal to 5 minus root of 15. Okay, so y now will be equal to 5 minus root of 15 when x is equal to 5 plus root of 15. Okay, so concluding, we can say that x is equal to 5 plus or minus root of 15, and then y is equal to 5 plus or minus root of 15. Okay, but then recall again. So we say recall that x is equal to square root of a and y is equal to square root of b. Okay, now so we say now a now will now be equal to, from here, x squared, and b is equal to y squared. So let's quickly do that now. So we square x and we square y. So we say now for a, we have this to be equal to 5 plus or minus root of 15 squared will become what a is. Okay, let's simplify that. So we have this to be equal to, so when it's 5 plus root of 15, it's equal to, so when it's 5 plus root of 15 squared, this becomes equal to 5 squared is 25, root of 15 squared is 15, 5 times 2 is 10 times root of 15, which is 10 root 15. So this becomes equal to 40 plus 10 root 15. Okay, and recall that these are values for both x and y, for both a and b. Or, so a can be this, and then when it's 5 minus root of 15 all squared, it's equal to 5 squared is 25. Again, this is plus 15, but then we now have minus 10 root 15. So this becomes equal to 40 minus 10 root 15. So we have that a is equal to 40 plus or minus 10 root 15, and b is also equal to 40 plus or minus 10 root 15. So this becomes the answer to this question. Thanks for watching.